Righto, I'm thinking you can see that. There's a rubber gasket. Undo this screw here. Being very careful not to drop it. The rubber will capture it inside the rubber.
Sorry, I can't show you the result while you're in the car.
Shut up, Siri. Now, the SD card is on the right hand side, up inside there. And you need this torque screwdriver to give it a little shove. And there it goes. Back in great. So best thing to do is lay a cloth across here, just catch it. That is the advice I've just given a customer over the telephone, and I've done exactly the opposite. I will now show you the easy way to put it back once I find the damn thing. Okay, the easy way to put it back is slot it in to the right hand side into the gap. It's sprung loaded. Take your screwdriver, don't miss because it will ping out again, and give it a shove, and then put the rubber gasket back. If you don't put this back and there's water damage under there, they're tiny little tabs to show us that there is water damage. So when I send it back to China for you saying it's broken, they will reject the claim because that rubber piece has not been reattached. Okay, that is it. It's done. Enjoy.